If you're thinking about becoming a police officer in California, there are a few steps you'll need to follow, starting with the basic requirements. First, you have to be at least 21 years old, legally allowed to work in the US, and have a clean record with no felony convictions. You'll also need a high school diploma or GED, though having some college or a degree can give you an edge. From there, the process begins with a couple of entry exams. You'll need to pass the post-reading and writing test, along with a physical agility exam that checks your fitness for the job. Once you've passed, you'll submit your results along with your academy application. That application usually includes medical clearance, proof of insurance, your driving record, and a background check. The background check is pretty detailed. They'll look at your criminal history, driving record, and even interview people who know you to make sure you're of good moral character. You'll also be screened for any physical or psychological conditions that could affect your ability to do the job. After that, you'll move on to the Basic Police Academy. This is where you'll get your official training. Expect a mix of classroom lessons and practical exercises covering everything from laws and procedures to firearms and defensive tactics. Training is strict, but it's designed to prepare you for the real responsibilities of the job. Once you finish the academy, you'll be ready to apply for positions with police departments across California. Different agencies may have their own additional requirements, so it's a good idea to check with the specific department you're interested in.